Good morning class. How are you all? Fine? Good. So now today we are going to start our class with which subject? Yes, with this period is the first period is of which subject? We are going to start our class with maths. Yes. So now who is going to tell me the date today? Today is 20th July 2020. So 27/20/20, isn't it? So today's date is 20th July 2020. Okay, and the day is first day of the week. So today is Monday. Yes. So after your holiday, we are meeting on Monday, and this is our maths class. So in maths, we have been learning about different things. So can you tell me which all things we have learned till now? We have learned about numbers, counting kariye from 1 to 10. Then we have understood the meaning of 0. Yes? Okay. Then big, small, long, short. Then after that, thick and thin. Isn't it? Then empty, full. So what is empty? Empty is khali and full is bhara hua. Good. And what is thick? Thick means mota. Thick means mota. And what is thin? Thin means patla. So big, bada, small, chota, and long, lamba. Like this, long. मैम ने देखो कितनी बड़ी लॉन्ग पॉइंटर बनाया. एंड शॉर्ट मीन्स छोटा, तो ये पॉइंटर छोटा हो गया. Isn't it? So like this we have learned lot of things. So now we are going to learn about a new thing, that is what comes after. So what we are going to do? What comes after? What comes after? तो after का मतलब क्या होता है? Who is going to tell me the meaning of after? After means बाद में, next. So if I show you something like, I just have one pen here and I have a chalk here, clear? And I have a duster here. So three things I have. So what is after duster? Duster के पीछे. What is after duster? Chalk. And what is after chalk? This pen. So after means बाद वाला. So like this, see here on board, I have drawn some pictures. So first we will be identifying these pictures. ठीक है? पहले picture identify करेंगे, then I teach you the concept. So what is this? Leaf. Candy. It's a candy. Then a flower, a smiling face, and what is this? A tree. Yes, it's a tree. So now we have these objects here. Now if I draw one object, for example, I have drawn a flower. See? Now I have drawn a flower here and I ask you, आप इन सारे pictures को देखिए and tell me which picture is after flower. Flower के बाद में after कौन सी picture है? This is flower. So which picture is after flower? बाद में. Which picture is it? Smiley. So what we are going to do? We are going to draw a smiley here. So I'll use a different chalk for the answers. So we have drawn a smiley here. Clear all? So why? Because smiley is after flower. मैम ने आपसे क्या पूछा? What comes after flower? So flower after flower. So what comes after flower? Smiley. So for this we need a box where we have pictures. Clear? Now one more example. If I draw a leaf. So I have drawn a leaf here and I ask you which picture is after leaf. So tell me which picture is after leaf. So first you have to see all these pictures. So we have a leaf here. So now which picture is after leaf? So what we are going to do? We are going to draw a candy here. Yes. So like this we have drawn a candy. Understood? So what I want to tell you is what comes after means baad wala. Now we can do the same concept with numbers also. How? I'll just tell you the same. So when we are doing it with numbers, we all know counting. With counting, we also do one thing, we make a number line. So first I'll teach you how to make a number line. Okay? So how to draw a number line? We'll draw a line like this. We'll draw a line like this, and after drawing this line, I'll write numbers. We'll start with 0. 0, 1, 2, then 3, then we have 4. This number line we have to draw a line and we have to write counting. As we see in a scale, in a ruler, so we are going to draw some line. We are going to draw a line and write numbers. 4, then comes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So we have written numbers from 0 to 10. Clear all? And this line is said to be known as number line. We call this line as number line. Why? Because we have numbers on this line. Now, to do the work, what comes after? How we are going to do? Now, as I have done in pictures, I am going to write some number here. Like 4. Then I am going to write 7. First, I will write few numbers. Then we will do this work. So, I have written some numbers. अब आपने पहले क्या किया था? First, आपने उस बॉक्स में सारे पिक्चर्स को ऑब्जर्व किया. You observed those pictures and you told me which picture will come after. Isn't it? Now we have a number line here. So what is this? Number line. Now what we have to do? You have to tell me the number that comes after 4. Number that comes after. After means baad wala, isn't it? So now we'll search for number 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we got. Now which number comes after 4? 5. So what is the answer we need to write here? We'll write 5 here. Understood? Similarly, now the next number is 7. So let us see again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. So which number is coming after 7? 8. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 8 here. Clear all? Now this number is 1. So 0, 1. So which number is after 1? We have 2. So I am going to write 2 here. Now 6. Which number is this? 6. I have 6 here. So let us search for 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which number will come after 6? 7. Yes. So which number will come after 6? 7. Now we have 2. So when we are going to do first, we have to search 2. So 2 is 0, 1, 2. So 2 is here. Now which number is after 2? 3. So what we have to do? We'll write 3. Clear? Now we have 9 with us. 9, and which number comes after 9? So let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And which is the number after 9? 10. So what we have to write here? We are going to write 10. Understood? So what comes after? The topic is baad wala. What we have done is what comes after. After means baad wala. So this work can be done either in the picture form. You have ma'am ने जैसे board पे picture draw की and I asked you कि which picture is coming after the given picture. We can do it like this in the number form also. Clear everyone? So now who will tell me what is the meaning of after? After means baad wala. What is the meaning of after? Means baad wala. So what is this? I have taught you number line. And you all know how to draw a number line. It's very simple. Just draw a line like this and write numbers from 0 to 10. Because we have done our counting till 10, so we'll write numbers from 0 to 10. Clear? Now, moving towards our today's work in the book. So just take out your number book 1. Take out your numbers book 1 and open on page number 92. So I'll just write here. I'll write it here. Book page number 92. So just open this book page number 92 and take out your pencils. I'll tell you how you have to do the work in your book. Okay, so let's start our work in the book now. You all have opened your book now. So which book you have supposed to open? Number book 1. Okay, so number book 1 and the page number is 92. You have to open page number 92 and the topic is what comes after. So now circle the thing that will come after the 4 things. See, we have 4 things here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things हैं हमारे पास हर बॉक्स में. Now which is the next thing will come? So let's see. Apple, banana, apple, banana. अब banana के बाद banana आएगा या apple आएगा? Tell me. Which fruit will come? Apple will come. Yes. So we are going to circle it like this. Clear all? Now coming to the next pictures. Flower, leaf. Flower, leaf. So what will be the next one? Flower or leaf? It is going to be flower. So we'll circle it like this. Understood? So now these two will be done by you. आप करोगे इन दोनों को and you will share how much you have understood by sharing these pictures. Okay? Now moving to the next one. Page number 93. Okay? So now we are going to do page number 93. So here it is written, write the numbers that comes after the given numbers. So we have been given some number here. I told you number line method. I taught you ना कि number line पे हम किस तरह से check करते हैं. Now number line is not given. No problem. We know counting. So we will do this work when with the help of counting. So the first one is 1. What comes after 1? 2. So we'll write 2. Clear? Now this is 6. What comes after 6? 6 के बाद क्या आता है? So you have to say your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो 6 के बाद क्या आया? 7. So we'll write 7. Now this number is 3. So what comes after 3? 4. So you're going to write 4 like this. Clear? Now this is 9. And what comes after 9? 10. So we'll write 10 like this. Clear? Now what is this? 5. So what comes after 5? 6. Very good. Like this. Now as I have done one part, this part to be done by you. Is that clear? So which are the two work you have to do? First you will do these two yourself. You will tell me which picture will be circled here and which one in this block, and after this you will do these 4 numbers. Clear everyone how you have to do your work? The work to be done on page number 92 and 93. Okay. So I hope you have understood the today's concept which I have taught you. The concept is what comes after, and after means baad wala. What is the meaning of after? After means baad wala. Understood? So the work which I have shown you, you have to do the same work in your book and share your work with me. Till then, enjoy your learning and just take out your EVS book for your next class. Bye all. Take care.